Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the multifunction clamp fan from Forte. This is a desktop fan. There's some information on this box. I'll quickly tell you what that is. Battery capacity is 2000 mAh and what else? Battery cycle is 800 times and charging time is 2.5 hours. And that's more or less the most relevant information. Product net weight is 345 grams. It's really light. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what the fan looks like. By the way, the color variant of this particular fan is called Snow White. Now let's take a look at the fan. There you go. There's some extra components over here as well. Okay, first up we have a set of instructions for this particular clamp fan. You should read it at least once. This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular desktop fan, and this is what the fan looks like. As mentioned earlier, this is a clamp fan. It swivels on two directions. This is the first direction. I'm sorry, I'm going to switch it off again. So this is the first direction. It can go full 360 this side and it can go full 360 this side as well. It also comes with this clamp over here. This is basically a desk clamp. The idea is that you clamp it to an end of a desk and align it so that you get you can then feel the wind blowing in your face. There are some switches over here and a port as well. This is your micro USB charging port. This is the light switch. If I press it once, this is the brightest that the light can get. I press it again, it becomes dim. Press it a third time, it switches off. Same with the fan. When I press it once, this is speed 1. I press it again, this is speed number 2. I press it a third time. This is the highest speed that this fan can support at this moment. And I press it a fourth time, it switches the fan off. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Forte clamp fan, Snow White variant. Thank you for watching.